Hello people, I warmly welcome you to Atlantic Beach Villas, located here along Igondo Coastal Road. Right here, you see this road comes all the way from the refinery, from Eleko Junction, and is going all the way to VI, right? So at the completion of this road, it's just about 15 to 20 minute drive for you to hit VI. Now this is the road to the estate. We are making this road accessible for both trucks and low vehicles because construction is starting soon. Trust me, come February 2022, there will be massive construction going on in this estate, and at the time it will be selling nothing less than 10 million naira and above. So if you keen in right now, you have a lot of opportunities, right, that you will be having massive ROI. Look at the environment. It is habitable already. There are a lot of structures already built and a lot more coming up. We have other estates in this place. We are the one maintaining this road as we speak.